Okay, let's do the walkthrough on that dance now. Top of the world. Starts with a weight on our left foot. We're going to point our right foot to the side for 1. Cross your right over left for 2. And then do a side together cross for 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 2 hip bumps. 1 to the right. Bump to the right. Quarter turn to the left. Left, right, left. That's the first 8 counts of the dance. Weights on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Weights on your left foot. We do a side touch, side together, side touch. Then we're going to do a weave to the left. Left, right behind, left, right and cross. Big step, step, rock behind, recover, weight to left. That's the next 8 counts. We'll count it out. Weights on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and. Weights on your left foot. Point your right toe. 1. Step forward. 2, 3 and 4. Quarter turn. Do it again. 5. Cross 6. Quarter turns. 7 and 8. That's the next 8 counts of the dance. So let's just show that. Weight was on our left foot. It was going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the last 8 counts is a syncopated, goes right into this from that. So it's going to be in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step 5, 6. Chase turn 7 and 8 and. Bounce twice, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let me just show you what that looks like. 1, 2 and 4. And 5 and 6 and I'm sorry. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. That's the end of the dance. Oh well, everybody makes mistakes, right? Let's take the whole thing from the top. Weights on your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, bump 5 and 6, bump 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. And that's the whole dance. There's a restart on wall 3. After the first 16 counts. And that's the whole dance. So, I hope you like it. Give it a shot. It's a lot of fun. Thanks.